Ready?
Oh, that was first. Okay, this demo represents both Newton's first law and second law because this stick gets applied to Newton's second law and this ball gets applied to Newton's first law. Because because when you take the stick and you hit this out, it starts as being balanced, and then once there's a force acted upon it, it moves and becomes unbalanced and causes the acceleration to increase, and then the ramp falls, and then since the ball wasn't acted upon by any force, it stays at rest. So then the ramp falls, but for like a millisecond, just for a moment, the ball stays where it is, and then once it begins to fall, it lands in the little bucket.
Alright, so the first of Newton's three laws is as follows. An object at rest, so turn this on, at rest, will remain at rest until a force is applied to it. Naturally, a force is currently being applied to this object here, but it will have a constant velocity as there is currently no acceleration here. It's just going to keep moving in a random direction at a constant speed, at least until a force is applied to it, like my foot stopping it here, which is currently forcing it at rest, or to apply a force to it and move in this specific direction.
So, Newton's first law states that an object will remain in its constant motion unless it's acted upon by an unbalanced force, which means that if I move the ball in this direction, it will keep going that way until I knock it a different direction. And yeah.
An object will continue what it is doing, such as staying at rest, like I am right now because I'm not moving, unless a force acts upon it, like someone pushes you.
An object at rest will stay at rest unless another force acts upon it.
Hit the wall.
Now, because of Leron's force acting on me, I moved.
So I'm at rest right now, and Leron is going to push me, and he's going to put me in motion.
In this video, we're going to be demonstrating Newton's first law of motion. In this law, if the forces are balanced, this means that it has an acceleration of 0. This means that the object will either be at rest or move at a constant speed. So as you can see here, Michael, there are balanced forces, and so he is at rest. But then, if there are unbalanced forces acting upon it, he will be in motion.